Welcome to another episode of Markets Dawn Europe, an audio podcast on financial markets for European-based professionals. A minimalistic solution to the information overload in mainstream and social media. This is what you need to know today.
Morning. Wall Street finished a touch firmer last night, with the S&P 500 closing above 6,000 points for the first time, as the momentum for the so-called Trump trades accelerates. Republicans are closer to confirming victory in the House of Representatives, needing just 4 more seats to secure a majority. Monday was a holiday for US bond markets, and Eurozone bond yields moved down by approximately 5 basis points across tenors. The dollar continued to appreciate as the euro touches its lowest level since April, gold shifts lower again, and cryptos skyrocket. Bitcoin rallied 15% yesterday, as is trading at $88,000 this morning, while Ethereum added 13% to $3,335, and is 40% higher in the past week. Shares in crypto exchange Coinbase Global jumped 20%, to a total market value of $82 billion. In single stocks, Tesla maintained its upward trend, advancing 9% to a total market cap of $1.1 trillion, while biotech giant, AbbVie, plunged 12%, its worst day in several years, after a key schizophrenia drug, acquired as part of a nearly $9 billion acquisition last year, failed in clinical trials. Shares are still 12% higher this year. Equities in Europe added 1% on average, their best day in 6 weeks, to recover some of the lost territory after the US election. The defense sector reached a record high. EU countries are expected to increase spending in NATO defense, following Trump's warning over cutting US military support for Ukraine. Asian markets are sharply down today, led by declines of more than 2% for Hong Kong and Taiwan benchmarks, following reports that the US ordered TSMC to suspend delivery of advanced AI chips to Chinese customers. European stock futures are almost 1% lower in early morning trading. In deals, news reports suggest that Italian luxury apparel company, Moncler, is not considering acquiring the Burberry Group. Swiss exchange SIX Group acquired UK Aquis Exchange for £207 million. In business news, the estate administrator of failed crypto exchange FTX is suing Binance for $1.8 billion in an attempt to recover funds. In data today, we'll get the employment report in the UK, the ZEW indicators and final CPI reading in Germany. There are no scheduled monetary policy meetings for today, but the presidents of the Richmond, Philly and Minneapolis Feds will participate at conferences. Blue chips reporting today include AstraZeneca, Infineon, Flutter, Home Depot, Spotify, Shopify, and SoftBank. Thanks for your time, see you tomorrow.
Visit laconicbriefs.com to subscribe to our newsletter, including this audio podcast with an extended script if you prefer to read, plus performance tables and charts, all in one place. Delivered straight to your inbox every morning, Monday to Friday.